In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect with Omni Flash. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. This is a platform to create AI videos that you can try for just $1. So once you arrive here, you need to create an account and then you will arrive here. Here, we need to click in the video section. Now we have to click in settings. And here in model, we need to choose Omni Flash. Then in the duration, I'm going to choose 10 seconds because my video is 10 seconds long. And now here where it says describe your video, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and upload our video. In my case, it's this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all.
Well, so let's upload this video. And now we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the effect. It looks really cool. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try Novoads AI for just $1 and the prompt is going to be in the comment section. So after saying that, see you in the next video.